Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I want to apologize before I get started. You might not be able to tell, you might be able to tell. I have a cough drop in, and that's to keep myself from coughing. The only lingering symptom I have from being sick is this horrible nagging cough that seems to light up every time I talk. Having a cough drop in seems to kind of keep that at bay. I can't promise I'm not going to cough at all, but that's the only way I can get through this. See, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, I think this is from the Apex Pass Run group. I'm not really sure, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's a link right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. Excuse me. Okay, get into the side here. I legitimately have absolutely no idea what's in here. And, okay, a wee pouch. What do we have? Should we turn the exposure up a little bit? Maybe so. We have sort of a smaller, maybe medium-sized knife. Oh, wait a minute. Is this a, that looks like the Gareth Bull logo. Is that what that is? The pocket clip, excuse me, seems like a Gareth Bull as well. Well, that is pretty nice. Check out that carbon fiber, the contoured carbon fiber. You know, as far as where you're supposed to put your hands, there's really just one space, but it is comfortable. Nice little ramp back there with some jimping. Nice blade, very nice, excuse me, blade. See what I mean? I literally can't talk without my cough. I'm sure the comment section is going to be filled with remedies, which is fine. Thank you for caring. I appreciate it. I've tried everything. It's just going to be one of those things where I have to wait until it's gone. Excuse me. Nice drop point blade that is maybe sort of black washed, maybe is that what we're going to call it, sort of tumbled black. Looks nice. This is a handsome looking knife. I wonder, see how long it is. Overall length, and by the way, I'll link this guy down below if I can. Overall length is 7 1/4. Blade length is 3 1/4. Cutting edge is going to be a little bit less. Let's go ahead and weigh it. Finding ways to fill the time here because I obviously can't talk. Okay, super lightweight, 2.65 ounces. That's pretty cool. So how does the front flipper work? Honestly, it's pretty organic. Very easy. Nice access to the liner lock too, thanks to that little area right there. The action's good. This is nice. Really, really nice. That carbon fiber is nice too. I mean, it's shiny. Usually when the hyper reflectivity with carbon fiber makes me think kind of looks cheap. Not in this case. I think it's because it's contoured and just the general look of the carbon fiber. That looks nice. I really like that. This is a good looking knife. Alright, that's going to be it for the unboxing. As per usual here, 2 to 3 weeks down the road, you'll get a full comprehensive review of this with all the information and my thoughts. So be ready for that. Check the links down below for this guy and WE Knives in general if you want to see what they've got going on right now. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.